Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Astral Monolith. First, ensure you have defeated the Wall of Flesh to enter hard mode, as this item is exclusive to that stage of your adventure. The Astral Monolith is a special block found within the unique Astral Infection biome. It serves as a vital crafting component for many powerful tools and armor sets, making it essential for progression in your world. To locate the Astral Monolith, you must first find the Astral Infection biome. This distinct area appears after a unique meteorite crashes into your world, usually on one side of the map. Search the surface for a vibrant purple landscape with unusual flora and glowing elements. This alien-like environment is where the special trees containing the monoliths grow, so explore thoroughly to pinpoint its exact location. Once you've discovered the Astral Infection biome, look for the tall, distinct purple trees scattered throughout the landscape. These are the monolith trees, and they are your source for the Astral Monolith blocks. Simply use any axe to chop them down, just as you would with regular trees. Each monolith tree will yield several blocks, so gather as many as you need for your crafting endeavors. The Astral Monolith is incredibly versatile. You can use it to craft formidable hard mode armor, such as the Titan Heart set, providing significant defensive bonuses. It's also a key ingredient for several potent weapons and useful accessories, enhancing your combat capabilities. Beyond utility, these unique blocks are perfect for creating visually striking structures, adding an otherworldly aesthetic to your base.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.